Good evening. I'm KY Low. I'll be heading back to Hong Kong for Christmas. Naturally, there'll be a Christmas feast with roast turkey and more. Christmas food is generally very expensive in Hong Kong, so I'm really tempted to buy as much food from the UK as possible and bring it to Hong Kong to save money. However, what exactly am I allowed to bring without breaking the law? Firstly, raw meat is strictly prohibited, so don't even think about taking a frozen turkey with you or risk the wrath of customs. As a result, I have already asked a relative in Hong Kong to order an organic turkey from Citysuper, which costs a whopping 840 Hong Kong dollars. Meanwhile, preserved meats like gammon ham and smoked salmon are allowed. For your information, I will be bringing a 2.8 kilo unsmoked gammon joint with me at the very least. And for your reference, a 2 kilo gammon joint costs 550 Hong Kong dollars at Citysuper. Also, you may be pleased to know that vegetables are not restricted in any way, so I can bring as many Brussels sprouts, parsnips, and baby potatoes as needed. And so, that's it for now. I hope this guide has been useful. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact Hong Kong Customs. Thank you for watching. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. If you do subscribe, please remember to click the bell as well. I'll see you soon.